Python's indentation and whitespace rules. Checked. Python's indentation and whitespace rules are fundamental to the language's
Unlike
syntax
many
and
other
structure.
programming
languages that use curly braces or other symbols to denote code blocks, Python uses indentation and whitespace to define the structure of the code. Here are the key rules and guidelines for Python's indentation and whitespace. Indentation level. Python uses indentation to group statements within code blocks. Indentation is typically done using spaces. 4 spaces are the recommended standard, but tabs can also be used as long as they are consistent throughout the code. Each level of indentation represents a nested code block, such as a function, loop, or conditional statement. Example: Python. Copy code. Def my_function. If x greater than 10, print x is greater than 10 else. Print x is not greater than 10 consistency. Consistent indentation is crucial in Python. Mixing spaces and tabs or using different numbers of spaces for indentation will result in indentation errors. Whitespace within lines. Python is not as strict about whitespace within lines, except for the indentation. You can use spaces or tabs for spacing within lines, but it's a good practice to be consistent within your codebase. Example: Python. Copy code. X equals 5 hash this line uses spaces for spacing. Y equals 10 hash this line also uses spaces. Name equals John hash this line uses no spaces for spacing, less common blank lines. 2 consecutive blank lines are usually used to separate top-level functions and classes. A single blank line is typically used to separate different sections within a function or class. Example: Python. Copy code. Def function 1. Hash some code here. Def function 2. Hash some code here. Class my class. Hash class definition here. Def method 1 self. Hash some code here. Def method 2 self. Hash some code here. Comments and documentation. Python allows comments, which are lines starting with a hash character. Comments are not considered code and are ignored by the interpreter. For documentation strings, doc strings, which are used for function, module, and class documentation, triple quotes, single or double, are used. Example: Python. Copy code. Hash this is a single line comment. This is a multi-line doc string. Def my_function. This is a doc string for the function. Hash code here. In summary, Python's indentation and whitespace rules are integral to the language's readability and structure. Properly formatted code is essential to avoid syntax errors and to make the code more understandable for both the programmer and others who may read and maintain the code.